What's going on, guys? Back here. I just made it to Hogan Spine and Rehabilitation at the chiropractor. Finna go ahead and get this adjustment. But I think I got Dr. Benson today. But let's see how this goes. I got my camera, so we're gonna try to get some good footage of this right now. Be right back. Is this like the pelvis here, or?
So, you know where you got the little dimples in the low back?
Yeah.
It's like right at the top of your SI joints.
Okay.
So you got a big bone here called the sacrum,
Yeah.
big bone each side called the ilium. They create two big joints right here called the sacroiliac joint, or you call it the SI joint. So that's where real common you'll get some pain or discomfort kind of like right in those spots. And that's what we're gonna try and get with these drops. So, this table's gonna lift, apply some pressure, it's gonna drop and make a loud noise, just like that. Alright, take a deep breath for me. All the way out. We're going to apply some pressure. Good. One more. All the way out. Good. We're going to try and get a little bit here, base of the neck. You just keep that head relaxed. I'm going to block that shoulder. We're going to bring that head to the side. Good. Same thing this way. Awesome. So let's do this. Let's lay on your side facing me. Alright, so now we're going to get that low back. I'm going to get you to bend that. I'm going to slide you towards me. I'm going to take this hand, just like that. I want you to take a deep breath in, all the way out. Let that low back relax. Good. Same thing, other side. In. Deep breath. All the way out. Flat on your back. How are we doing so far?
Pretty good.
Not too bad?
Nah.
I'm going to take these and get you to hug yourself tight. I'm going to get my hand under your mid-back. Deep breath. All the way out. There it was. All right. So now it's time for the neck. This is how I explain it. You stay there. This is your head, eyeballs, smile. We're gonna go to the side, low click, side, low click.
Okay.
We're real close to the ears, so if we get any movement, it might just seem loud. You just keep the hands on the tummy, keep that head nice and relaxed. How many fingers am I holding up?
3.
You're gonna live. All right, so let's do this. Let's flip back over, go face down. We're gonna do a little bit of cupping on that low back. So I'm gonna raise this up, just like that. All right, it's gonna feel like a little pinch, like we're pulling on that skin a little bit. Feel that pulling?
Yeah.
How does that feel? It's like a little pinch.
Yeah, like someone's pulling my back.
Yeah. So here comes the fun part. Go ahead and come up onto your hands and knees on the table. Right there. Bring those knees under the hips. Yeah, here comes the fun. All right, we're gonna arch that back way up high. And I want you to take the butt back to the heels.
Like that?
Yep, as far down as you can. So I want you to arch the back up to the ceiling. There we go, like really round it over.
Like
So
that?
kind of here.
Okay.
And now sit back onto your heels. Good, and then back up. We're gonna do that 3 more times. Uh-huh. One more. Good. So this next thing we're gonna do is called thoracic rotations. We're trying to create a lot of movement up through here. This hand, I want you to cup this left ear. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that elbow to that forearm, and then take this elbow and try and come up to the ceiling.
Like this one, take it to him?
So just like,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Ooh.
Don't chicken wing it. Try to get that chest to face this wall over to the left.
Okay.
So really open up. Up, 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 up. So I'm gonna grab, rotate up like that as high up as you can.
It's a little hard.
Oh yeah. Those cups don't make it easy.
Hell no.
2 more. This time try and get that whole chest to try and face me. There we go. Awesome. Let's do the same thing. 5 to the right. A little easier that way.
No, I'm just
I was gonna say it looks better.
taking it down because I kind of know what to expect.
Two more, and then I'll take those off. Go ahead and go all the way face down. All right, go face up one more time. So I'm gonna bring this up and over. So when we're doing this, I'm not looking for any pain. I'm just looking for a stretch.
Okay.
So we're gonna come up and over. I want you to let me know when we feel a stretch along the back of that hip.
Yeah, I feel it.
Good? Okay. Now is that the back of the hip or is that a pinch in the front?
It's like right here.
Good. Those hips get tight, man. That low back's the first thing it compensates for it.
I know that's hard because to save legs, I had to get on the roller.
Yep.
Had to roll it out so I can finish. So that runs through because it get real tight on my hips.
Yep.
And then when it's still while I've been training, I just need to stretch it out.
Which gym is it?
So I was at Be Fit.
Okay.
That's where they normally go. They be all over, but that's where I met them at. But now I switched over. I go to kind of closer to my house called Level 1.
Where are you living at?
Alright guys, I just came out from the chiropractor, Dr. Vincent, man. I ain't gonna lie, that was nothing that I was about to expect. It was actually kind of painful. I thought all the videos I seen on YouTube and everybody doing it, their reaction, I got the same reactions because it's really not a joke. But I do feel a lot better. My posture feel better. So, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave comments, tell me what y'all think. But that's gonna be all for today, man. I'm gonna see y'all later. Back with more content.